Hello, everybody. Kimchi. My name is MC Kim, and he's our chef Chi. So we are Kimchi. Today we are going to make Kimchi Bbokumbap. That is one of very famous Korean homemade food. Because when we are young, our parents is always very busy for working. So they always made Kimchi Bbokumbap for us. Because Kimchi Bbokumbap is very fast and taste is very good. And also that food was well-being food in Korea. Because when we make Kimchi Bbokumbap, we put a lot of vegetable, meat, and kimchi. And kimchi has a lot of nutrition and vitamin. That's why that is very good well-being food in Korea. And also the Kimchi Bbokumbap was very easy to make. So a lot of idols made Kimchi Bbokumbap in TV programs. Especially our Korean idol FX Crystal and her sister Jessia made Kimchi Bbokumbap and eat. So before we are going to make Kimchi Bbokumbap, let's watching Crystal mukbang. Let's go!
마실 거는 이 주스 줄까, 수정? 아니면 터뜨려도 돼. 터뜨려서 먹는 거야.
Hello guys! Did you watch very well Crystal mukbang? I think you guys very hungry and want to make Kimchi Bbokumbap. So now we will explain food ingredients. First, when we make Kimchi Bbokumbap, of course we need kimchi. Maybe you can prepare 200 grams or more. And the second thing is rice. If you use hot rice, it's good, but it's okay, you can use cold rice, but with rice. Then the second thing is pork. We prepare 삼겹살 because 삼겹살 has a lot of oil, but it's okay, any pork. And the third thing is sausage. Because when you put pork and sausage, the taste is double times good. But it's okay not prepare sausage and pork. And the fourth thing is garlic. Because when you cook fried rice, we need garlic and spring onion and onion. At least you must prepare onion and garlic. And the last thing is egg. Because we'll use decorate in last time. First, we need oyster sauce. Because oyster sauce make our fried rice very delicious. And the second thing is rosemary. When you cook pork, the rosemary will remove pork smell. And the third thing is oil. We will use pepper oil, but it's okay, you can use any oil, olive oil or any other oil. The taste will not so different. So now let's try to cook Kimchi Bbokumbap. Now we need to cut the garlic. spring onions. And onion. And we need to fry the onions and garlic. We will use pepper oil, but it's okay, you can use any other oil. Because pepper oil makes the kimchi fried rice spicy. So we need to wait until oil get fire. When we fry garlic and spring onion, you must put not strong fire because it easily get burnt. So you must watch out about the fire. You know guys, it needs time to fry spring onions and garlic because when you take slowly food, the taste will be very delicious than fast food. So actually I don't know about your country culture food because I only live in Korea always. So I'm not actually having a lot of ideas about your country food. Can you guys explain us about your culture food? First, our culture food that we always made is Kimchi Bbokumbap and 된장찌개 and kimchi jjigae. We always eating this, I think 3 days of one time we eat, while sometimes we all eat in whole weeks. 3. So now you can see our pan, our garlic and spring onion is pretty good cooked. So maybe in your house also very delicious smell around. So now it's time to you put pork. Actually, Korean meat shop was very good. When we want to cut it, they cut it what we want. So if you use big part of pork, you must cut slice as a small piece. And now you put onions and Vienna sausage. So we wait again until the onion gets smooth. So now we need to little wait until the onion smooth. That time you can put kimchi and other things.
When I made kimchi Bbokumbap, I always thinking about our parents, because they always love to make kimchi fried rice. Then that was my one of favorite food in young age. In nowadays, actually, it's been a very long time to make kimchi fried rice. So I want to share my memories with you guys, because I think
the people that we love to watch our cook very interested in Korean culture, and also Korean things. So it will be good memory for us to share our cook. So now our all of our ingredients and also onion get smooth. So now we put kimchi to fry. When the kimchi get pork oil and also the vegetable oil, the kimchi taste will be very great. But when we put kimchi fried rice, you need to put little of sugar. I think it's better that you put 2 spoons of sugar, little spoon of course. But I think if you get more sugar, that is okay. Just depend on your taste. And now it's time to put rice. We use cold rice because when you fry it, the taste will be better than hot rice. And the important thing is oyster sauce. You must put 2 spoons of oyster sauce. The oyster sauce make your kimchi 볶음밥 fantastic. Now it is finished to make kimchi fried rice, but we will make fried eggs and sausage for the decoration. Now we will make decoration for our kimchi 볶음밥. First, make a fried egg. Sorry for our eggs. So now when we wait to finish fried eggs, let's put kimchi 볶음밥 in dishes. Now we will finish to make kimchi fried rice. Let's see our kimchi fried rice. Now I'll try to eat kimchi fried rice and we will explain how it tastes. So now we will finish to make kimchi 볶음밥. Woo! So now I will try to eat and explain. Oh my god, the taste is very delicious.
Tá bom?
Thank you for watching our video and we'll prepare more delicious and very easier and fast to cook. See you next time guys. Thank you.